Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good. So guys, today we will be talking about how to install Kali Linux on your Windows 11 laptop. Kali Linux is a kind of operating system which is built for hacking other devices and networks. Although, you might be knowing all these things, so without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open any browser you want and search for VirtualBox. And click on the download option available. You have to select your operating system on this screen, which in my case is Windows 11. Your download will start now. I've already downloaded the file, so I'll cancel it for now. Now, open a new tab and search for Kali Linux. Again, click on the download option available. On this screen, we'll select installer image. I have already downloaded this file as well, so I'll cancel for now. Now, we have downloaded all the required files to install Kali Linux. Now we will proceed to set up our virtual machine. For this, open VirtualBox and install it. After finish, VirtualBox will open. If it doesn't open in your PC, search in Windows and open it. Now click on the new option on the top left corner. You can give whatever name you want for the Kali machine. In this box, labeled type, you have to select Linux, and select the latest version of Debian. If you don't know which is the latest version, just click on the last option with the Debian name, and click Next. Now in this step, we will provide RAM and CPU details for the virtual machine. If you don't know much about these things, and if you have a low-end PC, then just provide 2 GB RAM and 1 CPU. That's sufficient for hacking purpose. My PC has 8 gigs of RAM, so I'll provide 2 GB to the virtual machine. Now click on Next and provide 15 to 20 gigs of storage. Choose the virtual hard disk option. I have 1 TB in my laptop, so I'm giving it as 20 GB. And click on Finish. Now make sure to select your new virtual machine from the list. Now click on the setting option.
Click on Advanced option and change the drop-down list to bidirection.
You are almost done with setting up a VirtualBox. Now just click on the storage option, and click on the empty option. Now choose disk file option. Now locate the Kali Linux file that you downloaded and load it. Now, we are done with setting up a VirtualBox. Click OK, and then Start option. Your touchpad may not work on this screen. If it's not working, connect a wireless mouse, or you can continue with keyboard as well. Click on the graphic install option. If you see this prompt, just check mark the box, and click Capture. Now, just copy the steps as shown in the video.
Leave this blank.
Here, you have to give a password to your virtual machine. Make sure you don't forget it, else it's a bit difficult to recover it. If you want to see a video on how to reset your Kali Linux password if you forgot it, comment down below. Leave the checkbox as it is, if you are on a low-end PC, but I am installing all the packages. This process will take maximum of your time. My earlier laptop with 4 gigs of RAM took around 11 hours, that was the PC where I learnt about cybersecurity. But in this PC, it took me 32 minutes to complete this process. Your Kali Linux installation has completed, and it's time to boot into your new hacking environment where you'll learn all your hacking stuff. Click on the first option. On this screen, enter your password that you entered while installation. You can make it full screen by clicking here. So guys, this is your Kali Linux virtual machine where you will be performing your hacking tasks. Thank you for watching guys. Soon I'll be uploading many hacking related tutorials, so do subscribe to the channel if you want to build your career into this field.